So question 5a. So first step is to write our equations out and then label them. Okay. And then we know that we take our simplest equation, which is y equals x plus 5. Okay. And we have a y here in the second equation, equation 2. And so we can now just replace the y with x plus 5. So what I've highlighted in green, 3x plus x plus 5 equals 13. Okay, now we can solve for x. 4x plus 5 equals 13. Minus 5 on both sides. 4x equals 8. Divide by 4 on both sides. X equals 2. Okay, so that's my x value. Now what I can do is I can substitute x equals 2 back into equation 1, which I choose equation 1 to substitute back. So y equals 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7. I'm going to now check my solution, 2 comma 7, by substituting x equals 2 and y equals 7 into, let's say, equation 2. But you can choose any equation. You can do equation 1 or equation 2. Okay. And so from that, I can do 3 times 2 plus 7 equals 13. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 7 equals 13. 13 equals 13. Therefore, left-hand side equals right-hand side. Therefore, true. Okay? And so that also is the check by substitution, which we talked about briefly in the lesson today, but we didn't really practice doing that. But that's sort of how you would check by substitution. So whenever you do simultaneous equations from now on, make sure you check that your solution that I've circled here is correct, okay? And that's really good for exams because it boosts your confidence. If you know that an answer you got is correct, then that's going to make you more confident in knowing that you got the answer right and you're going to get the marks. Okay, so you need to have that check by substituting your answer back into one of the original equations, okay, to make sure. And you can try doing equation 1 as well, where we do y is equal to 7, okay, and x is equal to 2. We can find that 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 equals 7. Left-hand side equals right-hand side. Or we can say, in short form, LHS equals RHS. And therefore, that's how we solve that. So I hope that helps, Andrew. And if you have any more questions, please let me know. And thanks for sending this photo to me of the questions you're struggling with.